The Kike field is located 65 miles northwest of Labuan, offshore of Sabah in eastern Malaysia, in water depths of some 1,300 meters. 14 piles of various lengths and weights were used to moor the 16,000-ton Kike spar and drill rig. The largest piles were 55 meters long, had a diameter of 2 meters and weigh 140 tons each. Due to soft soils at 5 pile locations, pile stabbing mud mats were required to ensure that the piles did not topple over during the installation process. A deep-water Menk hammer was also mobilized for the pile driving operations at 1,300 meters water depth. Once the actual installation operation was split into 3 phases. Installation of the 5 mud mats, lowering and stabbing of the 14 piles, and pile driving. The jumbo javelin was ready to install the 5 mud mats. With all 5 mud mats correctly positioned on the seabed, pile installation can begin. Once overboard, the pile is upended to a vertical position for lowering to its transfer depth of 100 meters. Once at a 100-meter water depth, the pile is taken over by the deep water winch. The pile is then lowered down to the final installation depth of 1,300 meters and stabbed into the pre-installed mud mat, or, depending on the location, straight into the seabed. Then the underwater pile hammer is picked up and upended from its transportation frame. The hammer is transferred to the deep-water winch and lowered to the first pile head. The DP2 station keeping capacity allows the jumbo javelin to move across the mooring pattern in a controlled manner. In this way, the 145-ton piling hammer is accurately placed on top of each pile to drive it to its target penetration. With all piles driven to their target penetration 1 week ahead of schedule, the jumbo javelin is ready to return to Singapore in preparation for its next job.